Good morning, Janet Gaglione, Mortgage Lady. This week's weekly tip is about how much you can buy versus renting. Of course, Bo has decided to join me today. He is my beagle. I happen to live in Fort Mill area, which is right, I'm not far from Carowinds at all, and right at the state line. So there is a difference in what you can buy in York and Lancaster County versus what you could buy in Mecklenburg County. But I think either way, wherever you're looking, this video will be meaningful to you. I did a research to see how much 3 bedrooms, because that's the size of a typical home, 3-bedroom apartments are in our area. They range anywhere from $900 a month up to almost $1,300 a month. And for me to give you an idea of how much you can personally purchase in that same arena would be if you were to purchase and have a loan amount of $190,000, which I think everybody can agree that would be a great first home. I mean, that would be a fantastic home for a first-time home buyer. I ran the numbers to include everything in a payment: taxes, insurance, mortgage insurance, and principal and interest of your loan. And in South Carolina, a loan amount of that amount, a payment would be around $1,150 a month. So that is cheaper than the $1,300 that you would pay to be renting and not have any benefit at all. In Mecklenburg County, the payment for a $190,000 loan amount, and this is at 3 3/4% interest rate. The payment in Mecklenburg County was actually $1,300. So you still are saving by buying a home rather than renting. Now, of course, if you're very transient and you're not going to stay in an area long at all, then I think you should rent. But in any other case, right now with interest rates as low as they are, purchasing a home is the way to go. We got news this morning that foreclosures are down 23%. But I also want to let you know that that does not mean that there are no foreclosures out there any longer. That is not the case at all. There are still foreclosures happening every day. The economy is not where we need to be in a healthy market yet, but we are getting there. Interest rates are on a little bit of a downturn right now, and that has to do with some economic data, and it also has to do with North Korea. But I'm going to tell you the difference in my scenario that I've given to you today in 1/4% in the rate is only $30 a month. So even if you don't catch an interest rate at 3 3/4 and you had to go to 4, you still would be below the average rents in both Mecklenburg, York, and Lancaster counties. I hope this information is helpful to you. If I can help you, I am willing to do that at any point in time. Please call me, Janet Gaglione, 704-608-4139, the Mortgage Lady. Have a wonderful day.